So you're trying to open a file in CapCut and you're getting this error. I'm going to help you fix that in this video. So there's a number of reasons why you might get this error. One of those is because you reinstalled CapCut from a different location. So for example, you installed it from the store one time and then you installed it from the website the second time if you reinstalled it, or the other way around. It could also be that you reverted to a previous version of CapCut because your CapCut wasn't working. Or maybe you created a project in a beta version, but then you stopped using the beta features, or you used the pro version and then you downgraded to the free version. And it could be a lot of other reasons as well. But let's look at how to fix it in this video. So first we're going to start off by clicking this small icon at the top here in settings, and we're going to see that our CapCut version is here. Make a note of that now. Now we're going to create a new project. All we need to do here is go to modify and give it a name that we're going to remember. Okay, and then we're just going to save that, and then we can exit back out. Now back on the main menu, we're going to note down the name of the project that we want to open. In that case, it's this one here for me. And now on the keyboard, we're going to hit Windows key plus R. And that's going to bring up this box here. In the box, we want to type percentage local app data percentage and then press enter or OK. That will bring up this window here. And what we want to do is find the CapCut folder. Go into it, go to user data, and then go into projects. And then we're going to see a folder called .com LVE editor.draft. Going to go into that. And we're going to find the new project that we just created. Now we want to go into the folder and we want to click on draft_content.json. We're going to right click on that and open it with Notepad. It might not have the .json extension there. It might just say draft_content. That's fine. Just find that file, right click and open with Notepad. Now we're just going to hit Control and F on the keyboard. And we're going to type in app_version. Now we're going to click these arrows and it's going to find the versions for us. All we want to do now is copy the text that you see here without the quotation marks. We copy that and then we create a new file that we can just paste that into, just so we've got a record of it and we can remember the number. And now back in the document, we're going to type new_version, and then we're going to hit the arrow keys and we're going to find this text here for new version. We're going to copy that and we're going to paste it into our document there. Now we're going to go back to our projects folder. We're going to go back into this folder again. And then we're going to find the folder of the project that we wanted to open. In that case, it was this one for me. This is the project that you couldn't open before. We're going to go into that. We're going to go to this file again, draft_content.json. Open with Notepad. Now we're going to hit Control and F again. And we've already got new version in the box now, so we're going to just click this button to search, and we're going to see the version here. We're going to go back to our document where we saved the text. We're going to copy the new version text into where it said new version here, and you can see that they were different. It was 136 and this one's 137, so we're going to paste that in. Now what we're going to do again is just click this arrow to see if there's any more instances of new version, because there can be more than one instance within this text file. So we're clicking this and nothing's happening, so there's only one version of that. Now we're going to go back to here. We're going to copy the other version text here back to the document. We're going to type in app version here, app_version, and we're going to click the arrow, and we see here that we've got the version. Paste in the version from our text file, and then we click here again to see if there's any more instances. In this case there is, so you want to select that and paste in our previous version. We'll press again to make sure we've got all instances covered, which we have. Okay, it's 2 in this case. And then we want to hit Control and S on the keyboard to save, or just go to File, Save. And then we can close all of this down. Now we can go back to our projects folder, and here we have this 0619. You see, if I click on it now, it opens up like normal. This should all be the same on the Mac. I believe that they have in containers, you find a project file, and that can be named basically the same, draft_info.json. So you should have exactly the same process to fix this on a Mac. Hope that's helped, guys, and fixed your problem. If you want to see more CapCut videos, check out these 2 here. One of these shows you how to use CapCut, and the other one shows you how to open CapCut if you're having a problem opening the program in the first place. Hope that's helped, guys. Take care. Thanks for watching.